Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's session, How to Build and Retain Good Credit. I'm your host, Wayne Dixon, Business Development Manager with Transportation Federal Credit Union. And over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to help you to build, grow, and retain good credit. Why credit matters. The U.S. consumer debt has climbed from $17.5 trillion in the third quarter of 2024 to over $18 trillion in the first quarter of 2025, a substantial jump in only 6 months, driven by rising costs and higher interest rates. Your credit determines whether you can rent or buy a home, qualify for certain jobs, open new bank accounts, and what you would pay when borrowing money from loans and credit cards. It can shape your interest rates. It can shape your car insurance rates, your cell phone plan, and whether your utility company will require a deposit. Most importantly, credit drives the total cost of borrowing. On a 30-year mortgage, the gap between excellent and fair credit can easily run into tens of thousands of dollars in interest. This is real money you should keep in your household. Your credit composition. 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, collect your credit data independently. This is why all credit looks slightly different on each one. Lenders can pull from 1, 2, or all 3 depending on the product. Your report contains 4 main categories. First, identifying information such as your name, home address, social security number, and date of birth. Second, your credit and account history. Every open and closed account, balances, on-time payments, and credit limits. Third, public records, bankruptcies, and collections. Next, credit inquiries, every formal check against your file. Hard inquiries from applications can affect your score, while soft inquiries from monitoring services do not. What is not on your credit report often surprises members, such as your income, your assets, your savings, and routine bills like rent, utilities, unless those bills are specifically reported. This is why a high earner can have weak credit, and a more modest earner with disciplined habits can have excellent credit. You can pull your free report from each bureau annually at annualcreditreport.com. Improving your credit. Now, if you're starting fresh or rebuilding, secured credit cards and secured loans are 2 of the most effective tools. With a secured card, you place a refundable deposit that becomes your credit limit. With a secured loan, the funds are held in savings and released as you pay. Both report on-time payments to the Bureau and build positive history while keeping risk contained. If you already carry credit card debt, shop aggressively for a low APR, favor fixed rates over variable rates, and look for cards with a no balance transfer fees and no annual fees. Transportation Federal Credit Union's credit cards check every one of these boxes and are designed specifically to help members consolidate high-interest debt and pay it down faster. Credit health tips. Now I want to provide you with 4 habits to walk away with today. Number 1, review your reports carefully and dispute anything that doesn't belong to you. Number 2, schedule on-time, consistent payments. Automation is your best friend. Number 3, keep utilization below 30%, and single-digit utilization is even better. 4, pay down balances steadily through structured plans, lower rate balance transfers, or extra principal payments whenever your budget allows. For more than 85 years, our mission has been to help our members achieve financial success. Today, we have well over 15,000 members nationwide. And whether you're a passenger or employee of any mode of transportation, we're here to serve you. Now, to open an account, simply scan the QR code, or you can visit us at transfcu.org or call at 202-366-9400. Thank you, stay safe, and we see you next time.